loves, welcome back to my channel. We are just going to get my formal living room, dining room, and basically my loft space upstairs decorate for spring. Let's do it.
You tear me up, then you fix me up, all for fun. You tear me up, then you fix me up, all for fun. The games that you play, you're making me sway. Up, down, down, up, down, down, up and down again. The things that you say.
I love this because it's navy blue and it just brings a pop of spring and it matches the navy blue pillows. So I'm just gonna drape this on here like this. And I like that. And I have this pillow which I love. Just to break the matchy from the pillow and the couch. Just the navy blue, throw on there. It's super cute. And on the other chair, I'm just gonna add the same matching pillow over there as well. And that is perfect for that part.
Playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh.
Okay guys, so this is what it looks like close up. If it was someone else, they would have added more stuff. I just like my stuff simple, minimal, and clean. The less thing, the better for me. This table is beautiful, but it's huge, and I just need quality pieces on them and not just decoration just to have. This beautiful table art or table decor, I got it at Pier 1. Oh no, I'm sorry, this is from Kirkland's. And my pillows, the velvet, are from Home Goods. I had it here home previously. These came with a chair. These pillows came with a couch downstairs, and these pillows came with this couch basically. But I don't like it to be matchy, so I moved it a little bit from the couch itself. So this is how this section looks like. It's getting a little dark, so I'm going to turn the light on and we are going to finish the rest of the room. Let's do it. So we're just going to go ahead and get these cleaned and then we're going to get them decorated. Let's do it. These clean and it's all good to go. I have this, which I got from Goodwill. Can you believe it was about $3? And but however, it's from one of those fancy stores, and I got these flowers from Walmart, and I love the way that looks like this. So I'm gonna add this here. And that's super cute. I also have this, which has the gold on it, and also got it at Goodwill for $3.99. Look how beautiful that is. And I just got the insert from Walmart, and still need to be filled. But when you got kids, they come and play with it and disappear. So I'm gonna add that right here. So since on the other side I had the flower over there as well, I wanted to incorporate these here as well. But they're not matchy because they're not the same vase and they're not the same flowers. So it's kind of different. And I have lots of navy blue in my home, especially downstairs. If you have seen my house tour, if you haven't seen it, go maybe to the video that was just done or the previous video, depends what video comes out after this, before this. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this right here. So I have this global map, which I will add right over here. I love this, look at this, it's so big with the bling. This is so pretty with the silver. I'm gonna keep this for other decor. On the other side, I added the tall vase that had the same kind of color, which I'm gonna go ahead and replicate. Even though this is smaller, you can add remote control here, some flowers, it's up to you. But I'm gonna add this right here. So this is cute, I love that. Okay, so my candle holder, and this candle holder I have a set of 3 which I got at Goodwill, and my candle also at Goodwill, navy blue. I'm gonna go ahead and add it right over here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but let me zoom in for you guys. So here you go. That's added right there, and I just love the way that looks. Let's move on to the rest of the house. So I have these 2 candle holders, which I love the height of it, but I don't like this style that looks like a tree, and especially the color makes it so gaudy, and so it's just not my style. So what I'm gonna do is spray paint these, so stay tuned for different videos. I'm gonna remove this. I just want to incorporate things I love in my home and not just incorporate things just to incorporate. So I'm gonna remove these, bring them to the garage, spray paint them. It's gonna be in my future video as well. So I'm gonna remove these 2, keep the candles obviously, and we're gonna spray paint them for a different video, so stay tuned for that. Also, these flowers, this flower I love because I love the greenery, but I don't care for the red. I don't have anything red here in my home, like nothing. I only had 2 red pillows, and that was for Christmas. So I'm gonna remove these, and I'm gonna spray paint these as well. If I can get to spray paint these white, then that would be great. Think it will just be simple. If you haven't seen some of my videos where I incorporate a lot of white in my home, check it out. It'll be previous videos, but I'm just incorporating a lot of white. I think it makes it very chic, very clean, very modern, very farmhouse chic, which is my style. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this as well. What we are going to do is basically clean the table, and we're gonna add something else on there. I think it's so chic, so clean, perfect, my style totally. All these gaudy gold and no, we're just gonna keep this. It's perfect. I won't put anything in the middle. I just want to keep it clean. Just add some candles, and I'm gonna do with what I have. The candles may be a little bit rikiki, which is like a little small, but I'm just gonna go ahead and add them in here so it's not so plain. So this is my formal dining room table. I'm gonna go ahead and decorate that table. I already have my dinner set all done. I decorated for spring. I'm gonna remove that red flower, and then we're going to decorate that part.
But now I don't know which way to go. You tear me up, up, then you fix me up, all for fun. You tear me up, up, then you fix me up, all for fun. The games that you play, you're making me sway. Up, down, down, up, down, down, up and down again. The things that you say, it's making me gray. Up, down, down, up, down, down, up and down again.
Basically, my entertainment center is pretty small. It's within the same room that we've been decorating. We stay here, we watch TV. We usually put big blankets right here and just watch the TV on the wall. And daddy and mommy sit here, and the kids can sit on the floor, they sit on their laps, and we have a blast over here. But this place is rough. So give me lots of suggestions, guys. I'm trying to figure out, do I need a chair cover for these? Because my kids, when they come here with snacks and stuff, they, as you can see, do you see that? They mess it up, and my husband cleaned this chair like poor man. So I'm not gonna put him through all of that. I'm just gonna clean here, decorate a little bit, since that's what we're doing right now. And give me lots of your suggestions. I want to change this chair. Just to save money, I'm trying to put seats, chair covers on them, like really nice one from Amazon or whatever. I'm still looking, so let me know. And what I can put on the table that's kid friendly. So that's my other thing that I'm looking for right now. Let's clean the table. In the chair, should I say, we basically just cuddle up. It's movie night when we come here. Sorry guys. We turn everything downstairs, the light off, everything off, and we just run upstairs, the kids in their PJs, we are in our PJs, we bring a bowl of popcorn, some drinks. I think that's why we got issues of discolorations on chairs. And we cuddle up with blankets, so I can't forget this blanket. I love this blanket because it comes with mattress right here. I like it, but mostly just to cover this stain right here. That's the idea I just had, so praise to me. So I love this blanket right here. It's like a throw blanket. My mom gifted this to me, so I'm gonna go ahead and add it on the chair. What do you think? I love the way it looks. It just looks so cozy. Just wants me to, it's like so inviting. He wants me to sit here, just watch a movie and have fun. So I just love that. Now I'm just gonna go back and decorate the table just to put some type of decoration on this table. So I have this beautiful tray that was gifted to us for a wedding since 2011, and I kept it with me. Wherever I went, I kept this, and I love them. You can put it on the wall, you can do whatever with it, but right now I'm just gonna put it on the table. And just add a remote control there, and we should be good to go.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing.